Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set units in AutoCAD, and also I'm going to show you how you can change units from a certain set of unit to another set of unit. Alright, so just in case you have just opened up AutoCAD and you want to set the units at which you're going to work on with your drawings. Alright, this is the right way you go about it. So first you put in all type UN at your keyboard, then hit enter. Then this drawing units dialog box will pop up. Then the other way you can get to this dialog box, let me first close off this, is by clicking at this application button right at the left upper corner of this window. Then from the drop down menu, select drawing utilities. Then from the options that pop up this other side, select units. So you can see that the same dialog box pops up. Alright, so under type I have decimal, precision I have 2 decimal places. Then you can see that the current units that I have over here are millimeters. Alright, so if I want to change my units to inches, I'll just click at this drop down arrow, then select inches, just the second option over here. Alright, then also I can change the type here to architecture. Alright, once you're done with doing all these settings, you just need to hit OK. So for the angle type, I don't change anything over here, and also the precision of the angle, I don't change anything here. So I just need to hit OK. Alright, so that's how you go about with setting your units in AutoCAD. Alright, you can see that I have this rectangle over here and its units is in inches. Alright, but if I want to convert the units of this rectangle into millimeters, this is how best I can go about it. Alright, so next I'll just put in the WG units, hit enter, then this window will pop up. Then next I'll select option 3 from the options below the drawing units, just below at the left hand corner of this dialog box. Alright, because there is inches, feet, millimeters, centimeters, decimeters, meters. So go for option 3, then next hit enter. Then next, just below it there is drawing unit display format, go for option 2, decimal, hit enter still. Then just below it there is linear display precision. Alright, go for still option 2, hit enter. Then next, just at the command bar here there is scale objects from other drawings upon insert, hit yes. Then match insert units to drawing units, click yes. Then scale objects in current drawing to reflect change in units. Then include objects in paper space, also hit yes. Alright, once you're done with doing all those settings, you can see that I can't see anything in my workspace. So how do I go about it? We just need to type in Z, hit enter, then also put in A, hit enter. So AutoCAD will bring for us this drawing. Alright, you can see that the dimensions over here are showing that they are still in inches. Alright, but if we check our units, they are in millimeters. Alright, so we just need to click at this arrow. First click at the annotate tab, then under dimensions click at this arrow. Then this dimension style manager dialog box will pop up, then click at modify. Alright, under primary units click at this drop down arrow, then select decimal. Alright, so you can see that in our preview window over here, if we select decimal, changes from inches to this format. Alright, so next just need to click OK, then here click close. So you can see that it changes to the format of metric, all millimeters. Alright, so this is it for this video. If you've really found something helpful and it has added value to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Also share this kind of content to friends and relatives that you feel like they are in need of this kind of content. So thanks for watching. We meet in the next part of the video.